What if robots could think? What if they could learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations and make decisions on their own? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now, thanks to deep learning. And it's not science fiction anymore. Today, we're diving into the world of robots that think, learn, and evolve. Deep learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is allowing robots to process data in ways that mimic the human brain. Unlike traditional programming where every step is explicitly coded, deep learning allows robots to learn from vast amounts of data and experience. Imagine a robot that can improve its performance as it interacts with the environment. This is happening through neural networks, which simulate the way our brain works. Robots can learn from examples just like we do. For example, they can be shown thousands of pictures of different objects, and by analyzing these, they learn to recognize items on their own. One of the best examples of this kind of learning in action is Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot. Atlas has been trained to do incredible things, like backflips, parkour, and even dynamically adjusting to obstacles in real time. It's using deep learning algorithms to improve its balance and movements, just like a human would. And here's the kicker. Atlas isn't pre-programmed with every move. It learns from the environment and adapts as it goes. Take autonomous vehicles like Tesla's self-driving cars. They also rely heavily on deep learning to understand road conditions, make decisions, and predict the behavior of pedestrians and other vehicles. These cars aren't just following a set of instructions, they're making split-second decisions, continuously learning and improving with each mile driven. So, how do these robots actually learn? Well, it all starts with data. Sensors embedded in robots collect real-time data about their surroundings. For example, a robotic arm in a factory learns how to grab and position objects based on the feedback it receives from its sensors. As it makes mistakes and corrects them, its deep learning algorithms adjust its future actions. It's almost like teaching a child how to tie their shoes, but faster and more efficiently. A popular technique used in robotics is called reinforcement learning. Think of it like a reward system. The robot is given tasks to perform, and when it completes them correctly, it gets a reward. Over time, the robot learns which actions lead to positive results and which ones don't, refining its behavior. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how does this actually impact the real world? Well, robotics combined with deep learning is already revolutionizing industries. In healthcare, robots like surgical assistants are learning to assist doctors with precision during complex surgeries. In agriculture, robots are being trained to monitor crops and even harvest fruits, optimizing food production. And in manufacturing, robots are becoming faster and more precise, learning how to assemble complex products with minimal human intervention. The potential applications are limitless, from space exploration to helping elderly people with daily tasks. So, what's next for these learning robots? Well, we're just scratching the surface. As technology improves, we're likely to see robots becoming even more autonomous and integrated into our daily lives. Imagine robots that could anticipate our needs, help us in the home, and even provide companionship for the elderly. The future is full of possibilities. But with this exciting future comes challenges. How do we ensure robots make the right decisions? How do we balance automation with human work? These are questions we'll need to address as robots become more embedded in society. Robots that think, learn, and adapt are no longer a concept of the future. They're here, and they're changing the way we work, live, and interact with technology. From healthcare to space exploration, the possibilities are endless. What do you think? Will robots surpass human capabilities, or are we just getting started with this amazing technology? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next breakthrough in robotics. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Watch next top 5 robotics breakthroughs of 2025.